She's gonna ruin it for me.
I just got a new mattress for that thing.
For what?
For couch.
Well,
They just bought me a new mattress.
Oh,
They said, no. Oh my God. Oh, how nice.
well, I was talking to Sonny, and Sonny was Daddy was just talking to him and said, "Well, I think I'm gonna get me one of those little bitty love seats."
Oh gosh. Oh my
So I think
Merry
Christmas.
no, it's Tricia.
Tell her to move record.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
We used to get daddy friends.
They're all laughing.
Big difference.
Okay.
I saw when this is on.
Throwing it on my chair for. I do. It's laughing her heart out.
What's he doing?
Y'all like hell.
Don't open the door.
Don't open the door.
What is he doing?
He ain't gonna be able to get in.
He's going the other way.
Hey, what's going on?
I still live here, I know. I ain't running me out of here. Yeah.
Look at you, new chair. You can sit with no
Can I tell with no pillows?
No pillow.
God damn.
Your butt ain't gonna know what to do, man.
My brother go crazy now, be with me. You try my chair then.
You don't love it.
Move, Dylan.
Look, it rocks, swivels, goes all the way back. Way back, go back.
Don't make him drunk yet. He ain't had a beer yet.
Uh-oh, I gotta break it in right.
Turn the light on, Greg. Greg.
Let's leave it. God!
Hey, Greg. Daddy's like that.
Oh!
You ain't sleeping bad, you need one. Paul,
I didn't get up! This guy was drunk, I couldn't get out of here. Hand
Hey, we're kind of sorry about your mattress you just bought. Yeah, I know. Sonny told me about that. I was telling him what we all got you, and he's like, "Oh, that's gonna be really nice." So did you know he just bought a mattress for his hideaway bed? Greg and I were here, like, when we pulled the hideaway the bed out. Like, man, that thing looks like it's never been used.
That thing never been slept on, man.
Man, I can't sit next to you. I can't even lean up.
You'll get used to it.
Well, I thank y'all.
Have the Trans Am
no
out.
phone, no computer, I'll buy anything
Yeah,
else.
we'll have that ram hair waiting on you.
I want
Yeah.
my jacket. I want my jacket. I want a red. Michael, you see what it
You're
looks
gonna buy
like?
one though.
I think I want one too.
Red.
You're gonna buy one with your Christmas money, aren't you?
I don't know. I might not. I might give all my Christmas money to Josh.
No, you're not.
What size? This size?
No, I want to.